Solar air conditioning refers to any air conditioning, that is a cooling system, that uses the solar power. As we know, the conventional air conditioning that uses the utility grid supply to run the solar air conditioner. The wattage consumed by the conventional air conditioning is also higher. So nowadays people were going or preferring for the solar air conditioning, which uses the green power from the sun and also the electricity consumes in the less wattage. It may use the vapor compression system, solar mechanical refrigeration system, or vapor absorption system. Basically, air conditioning depends upon the which type of system it is running. In the most of the cases, manufacturers preferring to go for vapor compression system, or they can go for the vapor absorption system. Like in the solar air conditioning also, there are basically two methods we can use. Either we can go for the photovoltaic vapor compression system, rather we can go for the solar thermal vapor absorption systems. So likewise, the different types of methods were available. In this course, we can go for the photovoltaic solar electricity generation. Solar air conditioning plays an increasing role in the zero energy and energy plus building design. As we know, the air conditioning uses the solar power to run the air conditioner. So therefore, we can say it is a green power being consumed by the air conditioning. Air conditioning means the automatic control of a atmospheric environment for comfort of human beings or industrial purposes. Air conditioning is nothing but it is a conditioned air being passed in the particular room for the comfort of human being, so that we can control the humidity of an air, we can control the other particles that are present in the air, we can also control the temperature of an air also. That is nothing but the conditioned air. Its purpose is to supply the sufficient volume of pure and clean air which contains a specific amount of water vapor and at a temperature maintaining a predetermined atmospheric condition within a selected enclosure. As per the diagram which has been shown here, it is a photovoltaic solar air conditioning system where the number of solar panel connected in the series or parallel combination according to the specifications of the AC units. As we are taking out the power from the solar panel, its power, that is a DC power, is given to the charge controller. The basic working principle of charge controller is controls the voltage and the current which is flowing inside the battery. So therefore the further connection is given to the battery. Battery basically stores the solar power. Whenever it required at a night also, we can use the solar power. Further, this power is given to the outdoor unit. Outdoor unit is the AC-DC unit basically. We can run this unit either in the DC power also, we can run the unit either in the AC power also. Nowadays the manufacturers are designing the DC AC condition basically, or the DC power running AC unit basically. It is because the DC AC that is working on the direct current principle. Therefore the unit consumption by the outdoor unit and indoor unit of this air condition is lesser. We can also go for the alternating current AC units, that is the alternating current solar air conditioner unit which consumes the alternating electricity. So likewise we can also include the inverter over here, but in most of the cases we can go for the direct current solar air conditioning or the DC AC unit. As we know, the sun's radiations which are falling over a solar panel, due to which the solar cell generates an electricity, and this electricity is further sent to the charge controller, further to the battery and to the unit. As we know, such kind of air conditioning units are called as the split AC, where this is an outdoor AC where the fan and condensers are located at the outdoor condition, so that it's release the heat from the condenser to the atmospheric environment, and the indoor unit basically gives the cool air inside the room and absorbs the hot air from the room simultaneously. This solar air conditioning works like a conventional air condition, as we are using the conventional air condition which uses the utility grid supply. The two major differences is existing AC we use only electricity grid, or existing AC takes the higher wattage to run, and the solar AC is such a design that it takes the lower wattage. As we know, the wattage of 1 turn of AC, it might vary between the 2000 watt to 2500 watt basically. But when we are going for the solar air conditioning system, it consumes the less wattage. For 1 turn, it consumes the 1000 watt. Solar air conditioner has three options. Either it can run on the direct solar power without using any kind of battery, rather it can run on the battery bank. We can also run the solar air conditioner on the grid supply or the on-grid supply also. Solar AC compressor works like an accelerator in the car. When the compressor needs more power, it gives the more power to it. When it needs the less power, it gives the less power. Basically, it depends upon the what is the room temperature. If a room temperature is very high, beyond the comfort zone, then the solar battery or the charge controller gives excess amount of power to the solar AC compressor, so that compressor runs fast and it cools the surrounding environment within stipulated period of a time. But when the room temperature is lesser, let's say it is a 25 degrees centigrade, which is been proper human need that is been required, so that time the charge controller or a battery gives less power to the outdoor unit, so that it consumes the less power, so that it can save the power also. Like in conventional air conditioning, it has a fixed speed to run the compressor, so the comfort zone attained by the solar air conditioner is higher. With this technology, the compressor always on but draws the less power and more power depending upon the temperature of incoming air and level set by the thermostat. The speed and the power compressor is adjusted appropriately according to the need of the consumer.